How to create a Facebook account? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Facebook application on your device. Once you open up the app, you'll be able to see this interface. Here are the text boxes for logging into your account. Since we are trying to create a new account, you have to tap on the create new account option in the lower button. And here you need to go for get started. So as the first step, you need to enter your first name and last name over here. Once you are done, you can go for next option. And in this section, you need to select your birthday. Once you are done, you can go for next. And here you need to select your gender and go for next option. And finally, in this section, you need to enter your mobile number. If you want to sign up with email, then also you can go for sign up with email option. Once you're done, you can go for next. And you need to create your password over here. But you need to remember that the password must be of at least 6 characters or numbers. The password must be strong so that the other people cannot guess it. After creating the password, you can go for next option. If you want to save your login info, then you can save. By doing that, from the next time whenever you try to log in, then you don't have to enter your phone number and password. You will be directly logged into your account. So better you can save over here. And here are the privacy policies and terms and conditions of Facebook. If you want to read, then you can read. Once you are done, you can go for I agree. And once you are done over here, you need to verify your phone number. For that, a verification code will be sent to your phone number, and you need to enter a code in the text box which you will be opened up, and from over there you will be verified. And once you are verified, your account will be created and you will be directly logged into your account. So this is how you create a new Facebook account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.